Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. First, ensure the car is in park by pressing the P button on the center console. Then, lift the red cover to reveal the engine start button. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the start button to ignite the powerful V10 engine. Listen to that roar. Once the engine is running, you'll want to select your driving mode. Use the anima selector on the steering wheel to choose between Strada, Sport, or Corsa. Strada is for comfortable cruising, Sport offers a more dynamic feel, and Corsa is for track-focused performance. You can also use the large paddle shifters for manual gear changes, which are conveniently located behind the steering wheel. To get moving, pull the right paddle shifter to engage first gear. Release the brake and gently apply the accelerator. The Huracan Evo has incredible power, so be smooth with your inputs. For higher speeds, continue to upshift using the right paddle. When slowing down, use the left paddle to downshift, allowing the engine to assist in braking. The dual-clutch transmission provides seamless shifts. To park, bring the Huracan Evo to a complete stop. Press the P button on the center console to engage park. Then, press the engine stop button to turn off the vehicle. Remember to engage the electronic parking brake for added security. Before you go, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.